This video summarizes the current state of high-end AI movie production systems based on real projects and industry use. These are the most expensive options available today and represent what studios and funded creators are actually using in 2026. At the top end are professional AI film production services and studios. These projects typically cost between $10,000 and $150,000 or more for a 2-hour movie. Completion time is usually 3 to 8 weeks. AI handles roughly 40 to 60% of the workload, including scene generation, rough edits, and effects acceleration. Human involvement remains high at 40 to 60% and includes directing, prompt engineering, story continuity, retakes, editing, sound design, and final polish. These systems deliver the most consistent movie quality results, but are not hands-free and do not scale cheaply. The next tier is integrated cinematic pipelines, such as LTX Studio Pro or Enterprise. These systems are designed specifically for feature-length narratives. Typical costs range from $500 to $5,000 depending on usage and credits, with subscription costs usually between $50 and $400 per month. Completion time for a long project is 1 to 4 weeks. AI performs approximately 60 to 70% of the work, including script to storyboard conversion, controlled scene generation, camera motion, lip sync, and timeline assembly. Human input is still required at 30 to 40% for reviewing outputs, retakes, pacing, and story decisions. These systems offer the best balance of cost, speed, and quality for serious independent creators, but are not fully automated. High-end, multi-model aggregators such as Higgsfield AI sit alongside these pipelines. Projects typically cost $300 to $3,000 depending on scale. Completion time is 1 to 3 weeks, with individual scenes rendering in minutes. AI does about 70% of the visual generation using multiple state-of-the-art models, while humans contribute roughly 30% through prompting, reference control, selection of best outputs, and stitching scenes together. These systems excel at cinematic realism and fast iteration, but still require hands-on assembly for long movies. Across all high-end systems, there is no true hands-free 2-hour movie solution today. AI dramatically reduces labor, but human oversight remains essential for coherence, pacing, and quality. High cost buys speed and polish, not full automation. The takeaway is simple. High-end AI systems are real, powerful, and improving quickly, but they still depend on human judgment to finish a movie. The difference is that what once took months in a full studio can now be done in weeks with much smaller teams. This channel tracks these systems so viewers can see when and how those capabilities move down into lower-cost tools.